it's me, Chris Rai. Welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. And today I'm going to teach you how to make brochure in Adobe Illustrator. First, open your Adobe Illustrator. Then after that, click in File and New. Then you can choose size A4. Then position units, top button to 0, and color mode RGB. Then after that, click in OK. After that, you have to choose rectangle. Then after that, you have to choose rectangle tool. Then just drag a rectangle. Okay. After that, click in transform. Then click here in the width and just click here. Then divide by 3. Sorry, divide by 3. Okay. Then after that, just click Alt. Just press Alt key. Then drag from here like this. Okay. Then again, just click Alt and drag and manage it. Okay. Then after this, you have to do one thing. You have to make a circle from here. Just drag a circle by pressing Shift. Okay. Just make a circle like this. Just manage it. Okay. After manage it, just press the Alt key, then drag it like this, and just match the sides. Okay. Okay. After that, again, just press the Alt key, then drag. Okay. Just move it down. Again, just Control and copy. Control plus C. Then after that, Control plus F. Then just move like this. Okay. Okay. Then again, click here. Then Control C and Control F. Okay. Then after this, again Control C and Control F. Then move like this. Okay. Then after that, you have to drag a circle. Just make a small screen. Then click in the circle tool. Ellipse tool. Then after that, Control Shift. Then press make a circle. Okay. Just press no fill. Then after that, you have to select like this. Okay. Then go in the Pathfinder. Then click in divide. After that, you have to just click right click. Then ungroup it. Okay. Then after that, you have to do just like this. Oh, sorry. Wait there. Just you have to make like this. I want to make like this. Okay. Then select it. Okay. Then click in divide. Okay. Then right click. Then ungroup. Then click here outside. Okay. Make it last. Then click here. Okay. Then delete it. Delete it. This also delete it. This also delete. This also. This also delete. This also delete. This also delete. This also delete. Okay. Okay. Then after this, you make like this. Then yeah, and then after that, drag a circle. Just drag a circle using edit tool. Then after that, click into rectangle tool. Then make a rectangle here again. Okay. Then after that, click just click here selection tool. Then after that, shift and click here in the circle. Then after that, just make it divide. Okay. Then right click. Then ungroup it. Then after that, click here. Then delete this. Click here. Delete this. Click here. Delete this. Click here. Delete this. Okay. Now you make like this. Then after this, you have to delete this also. Just select it by using selection tool. Then click and say builder tool. Then click. Just press Alt key. Then drag like this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Now your shape is ready. After that, you have to do one thing. Just fill it by color. Your desired color. Just I'm using green color here for the sample. Okay. Only this color. Okay. I'll fill here also same color. I'll fill here also same color. Okay. Then I'll fill here also same color. For the same color, I'll use this one. Okay. Then click here. Then make it more dark. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Then I'll click here. Then I'll fill it by this color. Then again I'll click here in the circle. Then after that I'll fill by this color. Okay. Oh, yeah, this color. Okay. After this, After this, you have to do just click here, then Control C, then Control F, then drag it down. Okay, then fill the another color. Then after that, just click here, then arrange, then send backward. Okay, just little bit rotate it. Okay, then after that, just wait. Just click in the pen tool. Okay, then click here, then make a line. This kind of line. Sorry, no fill. Okay, then after that, just click here, then choose this kind of uniform. Okay, then make it 3 and fill line. Sorry, and this one is white color. Sorry, white color. Okay, now after this, just select and again ellipse tool, then Control Shift, then sorry, press Shift, then drag a circle, then select the white color. Okay, just wait. After that, make it large. Okay, then fill it by your desired color. Just I'll use gradient here. Just click in the gradient tool. Then after that, click here, and after that, I use this color. Okay, then what I'll do, I'll make it radial. Okay, then I'll click. I'll again copy, then Control F. Just drag it from like this, and I will bring a picture from place. Okay, I will use this logo here, and I will make the size like this. After that, I'll click here, then arrange and bring to the front. After that, select this image also by pressing Shift. Okay, we select both the circle and the image also. Then after that, right click, then make clipping mask. Okay, then click here in the edit contents. Then after that, go here, then arrange, then arrange the size. Okay, just I'll make like this, make it circle. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yes, just I'll make like this. Then after that, just wait. I'll manage this one. Yes, I'll make it like this. Then after that, what I'll do? Uh, Now I'll put here some Facebook buttons. Like, okay. First I'll make a sorry. First I'll bring a picture, which I have downloaded. You can download on the Google also. Then after that, just place here. Then click in the editor tool. Then drag a circle by press Shift. Okay. Then after that, press Shift button. Then go to selection tool. Then click here. Then select both objects. Then after that, right click. Then make clipping maps. Then again press into edit contents. Then go here like this. First we'll make a Facebook button. We'll search here. Facebook. Where is Facebook? Where is Facebook? Where is Facebook? Where is Facebook? Use Twitter. Sorry, just this Facebook. Okay. Mm. Then we will manage it. Then we'll press here. Then we will manage it. Yes. Okay. Then after that, we will just type something here. Facebook.com/studioPBT. Okay. Then we will change the font. Okay. Then we will change the color also. Yes. We'll change the color. Then after that, just click here and Alt and drag it. Just Alt and drag it. We'll make Twitter. Then click here. Just click here. Then drag it like this. Then search the Twitter button. I think Twitter here. Just yes. Just make it like this. Okay. Then we'll put here our Twitter address. Twitter. Then after that, we'll again I'll press Alt, then drag it. This also. Just wait here. I need to put .com. Okay. Then now we'll put here Google Plus button. Okay. Then click edit contents. Then, sorry, edit contents. Then will drag it like this. Pinterest. Oh, sorry, we'll put YouTube. Okay, yeah. Now just manage it. Okay, we have youtube.com. Okay, now after this, just bring it. Just bring it forward by pressing Ctrl plus bracket key. Oh no, we'll put same like this. Okay, then after that, we'll put our slogan here in the top of the button, and we'll put like this. Okay, just click here. Then we'll put here. Okay, then after that, again we'll put here some text. Studio, computer, DVD, LCD. Just we'll put this one. Just we'll put this font. Okay. Okay, just manage it. Then after that, again click in text row. Then after that, just put some contact number. Okay, I'll put